Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Shatera Latrice. Okay, my name is Shatera. Okay.
Happy?
Yeah, am I happy? If you let me do my intro, I'll be happy. Okay, so my name is Shatera Latrice. This is my daughter Amari, and we are trying to start a new little tradition with the shortbread cookies. And so, not shortbread, sugar cookies. So we have just the, thank you. We have just the package cookies today. I was gonna create tea cakes, but I don't have enough flour to do that today. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and just start with the sugar cookies. So we also have this bowl that we bought from Marshall's, and it came with these spatulas and these cookie cutters for $15. So for the recipe, you will need, of course, the sugar cookie mix, 1 egg, and some butter. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to let her spearhead this.
Bye.
No, not bye yet. We're going to say hi. You say hi. You want to make some cookies? Cookies? You want to make some cookies? No? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first. She already low-key cracked the egg, so I have to just go ahead and crack the egg and put it in there for her. Egg. What is this? Egg. Good job. Okay, so we have the egg cracked. We're going to set that to the side. And then, so I'm going to let her pour this in. So this is cookie mix.
Yeah.
Yeah, cookie mix.
Hey.
And what color is this?
Red.
Red. Good job. Okay, so once I figure out how to open it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pour it in there. So pour it in there. Come on, hold it. Pour it in there, mama. Pour, 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 pour. Pour, pour, pour. Good job. So the next thing that we're going to add to the bowl is the melted butter. So go ahead and pour it in there. Pour, 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 pour. Good job, Mom. Good job. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, so now you are going to get the flour. Flour.
Flour.
Flour. I'm gonna get the flour.
Mama. Mama.
Put some on your hand. Flour. Okay. And mommy get something on her hands. Okay. Okay, that's enough. That's it. That's all. Okay. So then you spread it. Spread. Say spread. Okay, so now we're gonna take some. Hold on, hold on. Oh dang.
Okay.
Look. You take it. Push, 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 push. Oh, look at you. Push, push. Oh, look at that. Look. Look. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, so that's all for today's video. As you can see, Amari, listen, look, tell him bye. Tell him bye. Okay, she's over the cookies. She almost tripped, so we're having a little moment, but she's all right. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let her cookies bake, and then I will come back to you guys with the final result. And it'll be a solo dolo thing because she's over me and these cookies, and yeah, she's trying to leave. So say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow kisses. Blow kiss. Mwah. So she ate more than she participated, to be honest. But all right, bye.